Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you an science fiction monster film movie lover? Then Pacific Rim is a must-watch movie. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it, and share the video with everyone. If you have seen this movie, then write your opinion about the movie in the comment box. If you have not seen this movie, the link of the movie is given in the description box. Definitely watch it. Now, let's go to the movie. Pacific Rim is a 2013 American science fiction monster film directed by Guillermo del Toro. The first film in the Pacific Rim franchise, it stars Charlie Hunnam, Idris Elba, Rinko Kikuchi, Charlie Day, Robert Kaczynski, Max Martini, and Ron Perlman. The screenplay was written by Travis Beacham and Del Toro from a story by Beacham. The film is set in the future, when Earth is at war with the Kaiju, colossal sea monsters which have emerged from an interdimensional portal on the bottom of the Pacific Ocean. To combat the monsters, humanity unites to create the Jaegers, gigantic humanoid mechas, each controlled by two copilots whose minds are joined by a mental link. Focusing on the war's later days, the story follows Raleigh Beckett, a washed-up Jaeger pilot called out of retirement and teamed with rookie pilot Mako Mori as part of a last-ditch effort to defeat the Kaiju. Principal photography began on 14 November 2011 in Toronto and lasted through to April 2012. The film was produced by Legendary Pictures and distributed by Warner Bros. It was released on 12 July 2013 in 3D RealD 3D, IMAX 3D and 4DX, receiving generally positive reviews from critics who praised its performances, direction, storyline, action sequences, visual effects, musical score, and nostalgic style. While it underperformed at the box office in the United States, it was highly successful in other markets, thus becoming a box office success. It earned a worldwide total of $411 million, earning $114 million in China alone, its largest market, becoming Del Toro's most commercially successful film. The film is regarded as an homage to Kaiju, Macha, and anime media. In 2013, massive alien monsters called Kaiju emerge from an interdimensional portal at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean and begin to attack various coastal cities. In response, humanity builds massive Macha called Jaegers. Each is copiloted by two or more people who share the mental stress of piloting the machine through a mental link called the drift. The machines initially prove highly effective, ushering in a new era of Jaeger stardom. In 2020, brothers Yancey and Raleigh Beckett pilot the Jaeger Gypsy Danger to defend Anchorage from a Category 3 Kaiju codenamed Knifehead. The Kaiju severely damages Gypsy, leading to Yancey's death. Raleigh kills Knifehead and pilots Gypsy to shore alone before collapsing. Traumatized by his brother's loss and the stress of solo piloting the Jaeger, he quits the program. 5 years later, world leaders divert funding from the Jaeger program in favor of coastal defense walls due to resurgent Kaiju attacks and the rapid attrition of Jaegers. However, the walls are soon proven ineffective when a Kaiju breaks through in only a few short hours to attack Sydney. The remaining Jaegers are relocated to Hong Kong under Marshal Stacker Pentecost, who plans to destroy the breach with a tactical nuclear weapon despite past failures. Now working in wall construction, Raleigh is recruited by Pentecost for the operation in Hong Kong. There, he meets Mako Mori, director of the Jaeger Restoration Program. 4 Jaegers remain: refurbished Gypsy Danger, Russian Cherno Alpha, Chinese Crimson Typhoon, and Australian Striker Eureka, piloted by father-son duo Herc and Chuck Hunsey. Raleigh tries out for a new copilot and finds Mako is compatible. During their first test in Gypsy Danger, Mako loses alignment while recalling a Kaiju attack in Tokyo, nearly discharging Gypsy's plasma cannon and damaging the Shatter Dome. Consequently, Pentecost suspends Mako. Raleigh protests, and Pentecost explains he adopted her after her parents died in the Kaiju attack. Pentecost consults Kaiju experts Newton Geisler and Hermann Gottlieb. Hermann states that while the breach will stabilize, Kaiju attacks will increase, aiding their assault. Disregarding Pentecost's advice, Newton drifts with a Kaju's brain, learning they are bioweapons created by an alien race, the precursors, for Earth's colonization. Pentecost tells Newton to find black market dealer Hannibal Chow for another Kaju brain. Newton realizes the hive mind accessed his thoughts during the drift, prompting to new Kaju, Leatherback and Otachi, to search for him in Hong Kong. All Jaegers except Gypsy Danger intervene. Otachi destroys Crimson Typhoon while Leatherback annihilates Charano Alpha and disables Striker Eureka with an EMP blast, injuring Herc. The nuclear-powered Gypsy Danger moves in and manages to eliminate both Kaju. Meanwhile, Newton and Hannibal attempt to harvest Otachi's secondary brain but find she is pregnant. The infant Kaju bursts out, devouring Hannibal before strangling itself with its umbilical cord. Newton and Hermann drift with the infant's brain, discovering that the breach only opens if it detects Kaju DNA. Pentecost reveals to Raleigh he has radiation poisoning after piloting a first-generation Jaeger to save a young Mako and has been unable to pilot since then. When two new Kaju, Skana and Reju, are detected at the breach, Gypsy and the repaired Striker approach, where the first Category 5 Kaju, Slattern, appears. Gypsy kills Reju, but is damaged. Pentecost and Chuck sacrifice themselves by detonating their nuclear warhead, killing Skana, allowing Gypsy to defeat Slattern and ride its corpse into the breach. Raleigh ejects Mako from Gypsy, triggers the nuclear reactor's self-destruct, and ejects before detonation, sealing the breach. Their escape pods surface as rescue helicopters arrive, and humanity celebrates the defeat of the Kaju. In a post-credits scene, Hannibal cuts his way out of the infant Kaju and angrily demands to know the whereabouts of his gold shoe. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you and greetings.